My friend was play before in Botev, so I know a lot of things before I come. I know it's a club with big tradition, with amazing fans, and I know that you have a big derby in the town with Loko. This is what I know before I come here. All my life I've been in sport. I train a lot of sports, but most of time I was in Taekwondo. I was in national team, Croatian national team, and for me it was logic to go in front to choose sport for my life. So after high school I go to University of Sport in my town, and after second year I choose to specialize the physical preparation for athletes. After second year I start to work like coach, individual coach, and I start first clients was from football. So it was, I think, year 2000, so it was a long time ago. When I come, it was so much to work, so I didn't explore so much outside. And it was Corona time, everything was closed, so I just work. I live in training center. Both have amazing training center, amazing, good facilities, big gym, pitches, I don't know, 5 or 6 pitches, hotel, wellness center, spa center, swimming pool, restaurant. So I have everything for normal life to live here. I have everything here. The people around is positive. Only negative thing is that I live here alone without my family. I miss my wife and son every day, so this is only negative. It's hard sometimes to live alone without the family. We start in January. There are so many changes from January until now. We made a lot of changes, but from my perspective, how I look, we improve both players who stay and players who come, new players. From physically aspect, we improve a lot. When I come, it was, I can tell you that we keep all the good things from before, and we put a lot of new things to be better. You have to see progress from time. From one period you have to see progress if you are doing good. So for me it's important to see progress, each player to be the best version of themselves in the future. This is for me very important. The most physical quality in football for me, for someone in endurance, for me now in this modern football is speed, acceleration and speed. This is for me most important. I can say the intensity of Bulgarian league is a little lower than these better leagues. There are so many breaks in the game. In the beginning we have a little problem with this, and after we adapt on this problem. For me, most important in this season to minimize injuries. With good prevention, good planning, good programming with the coaching stuff. Yes, every player have an individual program. We test when we come, and every few months we test players to see improving or not improving. Every player have an individual program to what he needs to do for himself to be better. This is including not just individual programming in the pitch, it's outside the pitch, and we change a little style of their personal life. So it means dieting, what they eat, how they recover, how they sleep. Yes, from this season we have a new department, it's calling performance department. We connect two the departments, strength and condition department. In this department was me and Todor Georgiev, like my assist. We connect with the physio department, who is head of the physio department is Angel Jordanov. He is charged for this department. And we have two physios, Emil Edrev and Georgi Ganev. So Angel Jordanov cooperate with this department, and his direct connect with our club doctor. These people are very important. They are like backstage people, but they are doing a great job. I expect for the team to be optimal, physically prepared. This is first, and to be fresh after this national break. This is what I expect from the team. The fans for this club, not just for this club, for every club, is very important. I expect to support us on every game. We need this. They are give us extra power. We are much better when they are support us. This is what I expect from our fans.